Hi, I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick tutorial on how you do a problem like this. First, you're going to follow the orders of the different numbers listed here. So first, we're going to go ahead and fill out the first box, which is the first fraction, which here is 7/8. I'm going to fill that in. Here for the second fraction, I'm just going to go ahead and put 9/10. Okay, now at this stage, what you're going to do is decide what is your lowest common multiple. Now here, please note that it will not accept just a multiple. It has to be the lowest common multiple. So for example, if you just simply multiply the two numbers together and got 80, down here, your answer will be incorrect. So notice you were marked wrong here. What you want to do is find the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple between 8 and 10 is actually 40. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in 40 here. So now, you have to think, how did 8 become a 40? Well, we had to multiply by 5. So I'm going to multiply that denominator by 5 and that numerator by 5, which gives me a new numerator here of 5 times 7, which gives me a 35. I'm going to repeat the process here. 10 times what gave me 40? It would have to be a 4. So I'm going to put a 4 here. Whatever you do to the denominator, you do to the numerator. And real quick, you're allowed to do this because 4 over 4 is just 1. Multiplying by 1 doesn't change a fraction at all. Same thing here, 5 divided by 5 is just 1. Multiplying this fraction by 1 doesn't change its value. Okay, so back to this. To get the new numerator, I'm going to do 9 times 4, which is going to be 36. So now, before you put your final answer and add these two numbers, which would give you 71 over 40, you need to be very careful. You want to make sure that your answer is written as a mixed number. Please note that it will be marked wrong if it is an improper fraction. So here, what I'm going to do first is go ahead and do 71 divided by 40. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and divide and say that it's going to go in once, which is going to leave me with a remainder of 31. So that leaves me with 1 and 31/40. So that's what I'm going to write as my answer. So here, note you don't want to leave it improper because I'll even show you now. It will be marked wrong. So because it's improper, I want to turn it into a mix and put 1 and 31/40. And note, now I have the entire thing correct. So please keep in mind that you have to enter the lowest common multiple, and you also want to make sure your final answer is a mixed number and not improper. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you so much for tuning in.